Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 6th, 2022. No, it's the edition of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, October the 5th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, a letter Sudoku and a Sudoku with 2 stars. And one puzzle is left. The tectonic, in Dutch they call it cijferblok. In English, tectonic. In Japanese, Suguru. Yes, Suguru. And this will be number 5286. 5286. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 18 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? 18. And for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Oh, it's a 1. Do we have dual boxes? I see here one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me scan. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. I see here one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Here another quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the 1 and the 3 are already filled in, so the 2 and the 4 are missing. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. More quadra boxes? No. Then, the following step, or the strategy, the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 2. Alright. So that box has the same number as this box. The Z construction, only 1. Yes, only 1. Then the following shape that you need to recognize. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape upside down, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. A 1. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape? Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Yeah. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. The T shape. Yeah, we have a T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 4. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 here. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 4 here. The only place left for the 4 should be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2, 3. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. Let me mark those 4 and 3. 4 and 3, okay. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. So this box should be also 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Yes. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this Z constructions for the number 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then let me see. Well, come on. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Let me think. Come on, these 3 boxes surround a 5. Can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. Come on. 1. 5. I'm thinking. Well, this box can be a 4, can be a 5, but also can be a 1. Because this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. If I place a 1 there, but we already have a 1 here. So 1, 4, 5 can be. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3 are left. Yeah, 2 and the 3. Okay. Well, these 3 boxes can be a 3, but also those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 digit left in this area should be there. Is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 2. So the 2 should be here. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 4. Let me mark those 4 and 5. That means that this box can be 4 or a 5. We have a double 4 there, double 5 there. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Correction, 2. Alright. Well. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. I cannot place a 5 here. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be definitely a 4. That box should be a 5. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 5 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 4. It can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yes, a 4. And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there, and can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Well, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and the 5. But we have a double 5 there, so I cannot place the 5 here. It should be a 4. And it's connected with that box. Should be also a 4. And 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5, 2 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 5. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be a 2. Well, the 2 could be here, could be there, okay. These two boxes can be a 4. And that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So these two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 4 and a 3, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 3 in this quadra box. Should be there, the 3. Cannot be a 3, these 3 boxes, yeah. This box can be a 2, this box can be a 1, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. With the other. No, this was the last one. No other puzzles. So see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, Friday, the first Friday of the month. Speed test we have with the light and the heavy Sudokus. Until then, bye bye for now.